competition of Tiranga 2K24. Already we have concluded 3 rounds. So we are at the 4th round. So the name of the 4th round, it is hot seat. Hot seat. I mean rapid fire. So I will explain it. What is it? So in this competition, in this game, I am going to ask the questions continuously. Up to 15 questions. So you have to answer it very fast. Okay? నేను 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు అడుగుతూ ఉంటాను కంటిన్యూస్లీ. నేను క్వశ్చన్స్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ నా ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఆ క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ తెలియకపోతే మీరు పాస్ చేయొచ్చు. నాకు తెలియదు అంటే నేను వేరే క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. ఇది కూడా తెలియదంటే వేరే క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. అర్థమైందా? ఇలా మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఎవరు ఎక్కువ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు, హూ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఆన్సర్ ఎ లాట్, హీ విల్ గెట్ ద మోర్ స్కోర్. ఓకే, సో 15 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఎవ్రీ టీమ్, ఎవ్రీ స్కూల్ విల్ గెట్ 15 క్వశ్చన్స్. తో క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగేటప్పుడు మీరు సార్ కరెక్ట్గా సమాధానం చేయాలి. తెలియకపోతే పాస్ ఆన్ చేయొచ్చు. వేరే క్వశ్చన్, సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. సో
రౌండ్ 4th రౌండ్ 3 రౌండ్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఈ 4th రౌండ్ పేరు వచ్చి ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్. ఈ ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్లో మీరు గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నారన్నమాట. మీ గ్రూప్స్లో ఎవరైనా ఒకరు, అది మీరే సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఒకరు వచ్చి ఇక్కడ కూర్చోవాలి, హాట్ సీట్ ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటారు. మీకు 1 నిమిషం టైం దొరుకుతుంది. 1 నిమిషంలో మేము ప్రశ్నలు అడుగుతూనే ఉంటాం. మీరు ప్రశ్నకి జవాబు ఇస్తే మార్క్, రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తే మైనస్ మార్క్, లేదు పాస్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాం. అర్థమైందా? సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ 1 member ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ గ్రూప్ అండ్ దట్ మెంబర్ విల్ కమ్ హియర్ అండ్ విల్ సిట్ ఇన్ దిస్ సీట్ అండ్ హీ విల్ బి ఆస్క్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ and he will have to answer. Okay, if you know the answer, then answer, and if you don't know the answer, it is better to say pass. And if you are going to give wrong answer, you will get minus mark. Understood? So there will be some codes. Much as possible within 1 minute. So there is a certain time limit you have to dedicated for you, and you have to answer in that time only. 1 positive mark for each correct answer, while for every incorrect answer 1 negative mark will be added. Okay, if you don't know the answer, you can say pass and you will get another question. If you know the answer of that question, you can answer. Understood? Okay, can we start this round with your permission? So here codes will be given. So we will call alphabetically, right? First we will call team A, team B, team C. So when team arrives here, the team has to select any letter and we will ask questions from that letter code. Understood? Who is team A? Who is coming from your team? You. Okay. What's your name?
Farhan. Bhashyam.
So first contestant for rapid fire, Mr. Farhan from Bhashyam School. Now, our first contestant got code Q. He will be asked questions from code Q.
So okay, you will get only 1 minute. So try as much as possible to answer the questions. Okay.
What is the product of 7 and 5?
2, 1, 1.
India Gate is located in which state?
Can you repeat question?
India Gate is located in which state?
Ahmed.
Who is the former president of India? Former ex-president of India.
Pass.
Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Which city known as the Pink City of India?
Jaipur.
What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
What is the full form of USA?
United States of America.
World's richest person currently?
Pass.
Who said Desha Bhashalandu Telugu Lessa?
Temila Kavi Subramani Bharat.
Which Indian won 2 Oscars awards? Which Indian won 2 Oscar awards?
Pass.
Past tense of keep.
Kept.
What is the name of acid in lemon?
Pass.
Practice. Okay, code letter P.
Shway.
From which school?
Municipal High School Kottagiri.
Municipal High School Kottagiri Shade. Okay, can we start?
Okay, begins in 3, 2, 1.
What is the chemical symbol for water?
H2O.
What is the sum of 8 and 5?
13.
Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate?
Kerala.
Gateway of India is located in which state?
Delhi.
Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who is known as the Nightingale of India?
Sarojini Naidu.
Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan.
What is the national sport of India? How many districts are in AP? How many districts are in Andhra Pradesh? What is the full form of IPS?
IPS. Indian Police Service.
Past tense of speak.
Go.
Who invented computer?
Charles Babbage.
First letter of tsunami.
T.
Name of any unitary of India.
Ladakh.
Who is the CEO of Facebook?
Ravindra from Vikaspur.
What do you want? Okay, Ravindra. Can we start? Ravindra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Colombo is capital city of?
Sri Lanka.
What is the 10% of 100?
Repeat the question, sir.
What is the 10% of 100?
10.
How many players are there in cricket match?
11 players.
How many colors in our national flag?
3 colors.
Who is the CEO of Google?
Pass.
Who is the father of Indian Constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
What is the third letter of the word quick?
Yes, sir. I.
How many seconds are in 3 minutes?
180 seconds.
How many sides does a square have?
4 seconds.
What is the opposite of day?
Night.
What is the full form of WBC?
WBC. World. Pass, sir.
What is the smallest state of India by area?
Smallest state, Goa.
Past tense of teach.
E8.
Teach.
Dot.
Largest desert in the world.
Pass.
Who discovered the theory of gravity? Thank you so much.
My name is Desan Devan. I am from Masala.
Okay, we are student from Basavaya School. Okay, what do you want, Mr. Rehan? Which first? Do you want first? Yes. Code letter O. So, can we begin? Rehan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please start the timer. What is CO2? What is 25% of 100? What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? Minus? Which Indian state is the largest by area? What is the nationality of India? Who wrote the national anthem of India? Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin?
Vitamin D.
What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
Amaravati.
Who is in Statue of Unity?
Pass.
Who invented the telephone?
Pass.
What is the full form of UK?
United Kingdom.
Past tense of 10.
Pass.
Fastest animal on earth.
Cheetah.
Who is the CEO of Google?
Pass.
Who is the Nightingale of India?
Don Bosco.
Name?
Nanda Kishore.
Vandanish.
Nanda Kishore.
Nanda Kishore. Okay, Nanda Kishore. Okay, what slide you want, Nanda Kishore? Huh? Last one. Last. Code letter S. Are you ready? Okay. Which is the largest state in India by population?
India. Pass.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Who was the first woman prime minister of India?
Sarojini Naidu.
What is full form of UNO?
Sir.
What is the full form of UNO?
Pass.
Who is the tiger of Mysore?
Pass.
Who is the god of cricket?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Who is the former CM of Andhra Pradesh?
Pass.
What is the opposite of day?
Night.
What is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh?
Pass.
How many minutes are in 2 hours?
120 minutes.
88 plus 22? 100? How many degrees in a circle? Capital city of Sri Lanka? Hardest natural substance? Opposite of soft? School?
My name is Geetha. I am from Renown Municipal.
Slide 1.
First or second?
Okay, middle down. Yes. Code R. Are you satisfied with code R? Can we begin? Can we have a timer, please?
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
What is the square root of 16? What is the atomic number of helium? Who was the first woman president of India?
Pratibha Patil.
What is the full form of IAS?
Indian Administrative Service.
Who is the missile man of India? Missile man of India. Who is the CM of Delhi? What is the capital city of Pakistan? Pakistan. Who said Vishwadharbi Rama Vindaralima in his poems? Pawan Kalyan is MLA of which constituency? How many medals India won in Paris Olympics? Which is dark continent? Dark continent. Capital city of Afghanistan.
Sir, my name is S. Jyotiraj. I am from Sri Jnanambika English Medium School.
Okay. Jyotiraj, which slide you want?
Sir, second or first one?
Second row, first one.
This one.
Code N. Can we start?
Yes, sir.
game begins in 3, 2, 1.
What is the symbol of hydrogen?
Hydrogen, H.
How many states are in the USA?
USA. Pass.
What is the square root of 25?
5.
How many letters are in the word alphabet?
8.
What is the first planet in our solar system?
Planet. Mercury.
What is the boiling point of water in
100
Celsius?
degrees Celsius.
How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
What is the capital city of Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
Which river is called Ganga of the South?
Godavari.
Who was the founder of the Sikh religion?
Pass.
What is the full form of ram?
Pass.
Past tense of break. Which bird cannot fly? WW stands for who is the CEO of Microsoft?
My name is K. Satyasri. I am from Girls' School.
Okay. Which slide you want?
First one, third.
First one and third. Code T. Can we begin? Please, timer.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Which Indian leader known as Bapu?
Pass.
Wayanad is located in which state? Wayanad is located in which state? What is the national animal of India?
Tiger.
Which state is known as Rice Bowl of India?
Andhra Pradesh.
The longest coastal line is located in which state? The longest coastal
Andhra
line.
Pradesh.
Who is known as Chhatrapati?
Shivaji Chhatrapati.
Who is the CM of West Bengal?
Pass.
What is the full form of CPU?
Pass.
Who wrote Ramayana? What is the full form of Rome?
Repeat.
What is the full form of Rome? ROM. My experience with the truth. Who wrote?
Pass.
Capital city of Bangladesh.
Pass. TK, please.
Okay. Which slide you want?
Third, the last.
Third row. Third. Last. Code M. Can we commence? Please, timer, please.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
E equals to MC square is formulated by
Pass.
who is the father of the nation, India?
Pass.
How many days are in February in a leap year?
20.
20. What is 50% of 200?
Pass.
Which country has 3 capitals?
Pass.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Saturn.
What is the first letter of psychology?
S.
How many meters are in a kilometer?
Pass.
How many months are in a leap year?
Pass.
Which is the longest river in India?
Pass.
Full form of IPL.
Pass.
Which state is known as the land of 5 rivers?
Pass.
Past tense of fly. Down. Now tables can turn because we have 4 rounds, but this ultimate final round is different from all other 4 rounds because it tells who is the winner, who is going to take the memento, the cash award also. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. The final round is brainstorm. So let's have the details of final. Brainstorms. So instructions. This round has 5 questions. How many questions? Only 5 questions. Only 5 questions. But these questions are going to be decide who is winner and who is. And one answering correctly player can remain to next question. Okay? If you are answering the first question, you will get another question of that round. Next. Answering incorrectly, he has to leave the show. Okay? If you question of the round, you will be eliminated at that time. Okay? If you are going to the wrong answer, and in case if you are not answering anything, you will remain there. Okay? You are not going to participate the show anymore. But if you are giving the right answer, you will get how many marks? 5 marks. 5 marks, right? In next question, if you answer that question, second question, you will get 10 marks. If you answer the third question, you will get 15 marks. If you answer the fourth question, you will get 20 marks. And if you are answering the fifth question, you are getting 25 marks. If a person remains not giving answers for 4 questions, somehow he will reach 5th question. And if he is answering the 5th question, he will get easily 25 marks. If you are confident enough, sure enough, then only the answer. Otherwise, don't answer because you are going to be eliminated. Speak in Telugu. Okay? Ardhamayinda andariki? Yes. So, if this person coordinator A is answered 3 questions, okay, how many marks you will get? 15 marks. If he is giving the wrong answer for 4 questions, he will lose all those marks. All those marks. So, play cunningly. Play cunningly. If you are confident enough, okay, then only answer. Okay, now if I ask you, what is night? Is day or night? Day, right? It is right? You are confident enough. Some person, you are confident that it is day now, right? So, if you are that much confidence you have, then only answer. Understood? Let's move to the first question. So, there will be 5 questions. Maximum marks are 20. 75 marks. Then you will be the winner, right? So the first question. Five marks question. What continent is Brazil located on? In which continent the country Brazil is? Brazil. So it is very famous for football. The Brazil country. If you are enough, confident enough, then only answer. Otherwise, you are going to be eliminated. Okay, mind. Then now you have so many points. Okay, you have answer from audience.
South America.
South America. Did anyone write South America? Okay, did anyone answer? Did anyone answer? Did anyone answer? If it is wrong, then you have to leave. If it is correct, please. देखिए आंसर because if you are reading the wrong answer, you have to leave. Wrong answer, cheat. But they are not participating. They all participate. So, unfortunately, one team got 2 teams. So, clearly, mind this. If you are going to the wrong answer, okay, you have to leave the show immediately. You are not getting another chance. So, the next question. Okay, 3 persons has given the correct answer. Now, second question, please. So, this question carries 10 marks. Who was the first viceroy of India? We know the last viceroy is Lord Mountbatten. Who is the first viceroy of India? If you know the answer, then only answer. Otherwise, don't write the answer. Done. Anyone? How many people have answered? Please raise your hand. Okay, if it is right, we will go give marks. If it is wrong, okay. Look at that. So, only 2 teams have answered the answers, right? 2 teams. 3 teams, right? Okay. So, answer please. Okay. Answer is Lord Canning. Lord Canning. B. Lord Canning. Yep. If you are sure enough, confident enough, then only answer. Sometimes the 5th question may be very simple, may be very hard. Okay. 3rd question, please, which carries 15 marks. Who is known as the father of the Indian unrest? Indian unrest. So we know the father of nation, right? Mahatma Gandhi. So who is the father of Indian unrest? Person. If you know the answer, then only answer. He is the person who made British difficult to stay in India, who stole the harmful nights of British. Okay, answer from audience. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Correct answer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Did anyone answer it wrong? Wrong. So, team D is eliminated from the round and they lose their area marks also. Did they get any marks? Team D. And on which day Telugu language, Telugu Bhasha Dinasam is celebrated? On which day Telugu language, Telugu Bhasha Dinasam is celebrated? Did anyone answer the question? So, right, 3 teams have answered the questions. So, let's see if the right answer or wrong answer. So, audience answer? August 29. August 29 is the correct answer. But, wrong answer. Sorry, unfortunately, you have to leave the show. August 28. No. 29 exactly. Okay. So, how many teams are remaining here? Please raise your hands. How many teams are remaining? Got any elimination? 4 teams. Okay, we are going to move to our final question, which carries 25 marks. And winner also will be revealed instantly. What was the name of the movement launched by Gandhi in 1942 demanding an end to British rule in India? What was the movement? Right, please write. Okay, time is up and on. How many teams have written the answer? Please raise your hands. Only 3 teams, right? Okay, what is the answer from audience? Quit India movement. Quit India movement. G and B. G and B. B. What about H? Right answer? Okay. So here our 5th round completes and also our quiz competition also completes. Now we will declare the winners shortly.
Fasten your seatbelts. We are at the finale of quiz competition of Tiranga 2K24. The rounds are come to an end. We are at the end of something extraordinary. For this landmark moment we have been waiting since long. And finally, we are here. We have showcased our talent. We have competed with intellectual minds. Now, your heartbeat is increasing inch by inch. Your heartbeat is making sounds. Who will be claimed the title of championship of Tiranga 2K24? Let's see who will raise the title of champions. Who will carry the spirit of championship? Hold your breath. Within a short while we are going to reveal the winners, champions and runners-up of this Tiranga Quiz Competition 2K24. Along with one more thing you have to keep in your mind, you can check or notice at the scoreboard, you are having scores, you are having తన సత్తాను, తన ప్రతిభను కనువరిస్తారు. ఏ స్కూల్ టీం తన విజయ విశ్వరూపాన్ని, విజయ ప్రభంజనాన్ని చూపిస్తారో. Hold your breath. Tighten your belts. Within a short while, we are going to unveil the winners of Tiranga Quiz Competition 2.0, infusing the patriotism. Along with, I am so delighted, excited to be here and to host this magnificent, spectacular, outstanding, magnificent, fantastic, fabulous. There's no words. How I can explain this? It is inexplicable. I can't explain the atmosphere you have made over here. Really, really speechless. I am astounded. Let's see. I can see in your face the anticipation is dazzling. The excitement is dancing. The determination is making rounds in our atmosphere. పెద్ద కవి or author రచయిత అన్నారు. One more thing, you can be destroyed. Once again, I am going to repeat it again and again. A man can be destroyed, but never be defeated. But never be defeated. ఒక మనిషి కుప్పకూలిపోవచ్చు కానీ, destroy కావచ్చు కానీ, but he is not going bow in front of the defeat, in front of the failure. So all is well when it ends well. All is well when it ends well. Once again, all is well when it ends well. Whether you are winning, whether you are losing, no problem. Failure is the stepping stone of success. We all know that. Just hold your heart. Hold your breath. See the champions who is going to take the cash prize of 5,001 rupees. Who is going to take the cash prize of 3,001 rupees? Let's see. Let's see. Anyone of you want to say something? From any school, any student, come here and say your feedback. What your opinion? You have full choice. You have full freedom. Because just before we have celebrated, and along with, besides him, we can see Ayub sir, Ayub Khan sir. He is the minority leader of BJP. They have arrived. Just have a look at
మా ఈ కార్యక్రమం ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్. ముందుగా మీ అందరికీ 78వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఒక ప్రోగ్రాం ఇప్పుడు నిర్వహించడం అయినది, అందరికీ తెలుసు. తిరంగా 2024 ఇన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ద ప్యాట్రియాటిజం, దేశభక్తిని నింపడం. దేశభక్తి మన స్టూడెంట్స్ వారి హార్ట్స్ లైక్ ఏ హార్ట్ బీటింగ్ వారికి కలిగించడం. స్టూడెంట్స్ అంటే ఎవరు? ఒక కొటేషన్ ఉంది, నేటి ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందం. మరియు ఆ ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందం అక్కడ వాళ్ళు కలిసి ఒక చారిటబుల్ ట్రస్ట్ రూపొందించినారు అన్నమాట. ఆ చారిటబుల్ ట్రస్ట్ మదర్ చారిటబుల్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ అండ్ చారిటబుల్ ట్రస్ట్. వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో మన జ్ఞానాంబిక స్కూల్ వారి మేనేజ్మెంట్ వారి సహాయంతో మరియు ఉపాధ్యాయ బృందం వారి సహాయంతో ఈరోజు ఈ నెలలో, ఈ ఆగస్టు మాసంలో ఈ రోజు చాలా ముఖ్యమైన రోజు మనందరికీ. ఎందుకంటే ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేసి ఆల్రెడీ మన విద్యార్థుల్లో చాలా చురుకైన విద్యార్థులు ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళకి చరిత్రలో దేశం కోసం ప్రాణాలు అర్పించిన వారు ఎంతో మహానుభావులు, ఎంతో మహా పురుషులు. మన మహాత్మా గాంధీ, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్ వారి ఈరోజు వర్ధంతి అన్నమాట. వాళ్ళని నివాళి అర్పించి వాళ్ళ త్యాగాలను గుర్తు చేసి మేము ఎలా దేశం పట్ల యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మీరు రాబోయే కాలంలో ఒక ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్ కావచ్చు, ఐపీఎస్ ఆఫీసర్ పెంపొందించి దాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేసి మీకు ఉన్నత స్థాయిలో చేర్పాలని ఇలాంటి ఒక ప్రోగ్రాం ఇక్కడ నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. కావున మీ అందరికీ ఇంకొక విషయం చెప్పాలి ఏమంటే ఇక్కడ మన చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ వచ్చిన మన అయ్యూబ్ సార్ గారు ఉన్నారు, మన మేజర్ రెడ్డప్ప సార్ గారు ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళకి నేను హృదయపూర్వకంగా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. అలానే ఇంకా మన షావలి టెక్స్టైల్ వారు షావలి గారు కూడా వచ్చే సమయం అయింది, వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు. మరియు మన దారుల్ హుదా పుంగనూరు ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు షరీఫుద్దీన్ హజరత్ గారు వస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళు కూడా నేను నా హృదయపూర్వకంగా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు కొద్దిగా సేమ్ దేశభక్తి గురించి, దేశం గురించి, ఈ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రాం ప్రాముఖ్యత గురించి ఒక 7 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడాలని నేను రెస్పెక్టెడ్ సార్ మేజర్ సార్ గారికి కొద్దిగా సేపు పోడియం ఇది